In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate lights in Blender for better lighting. Lighting direction can make or break a scene, and rotating your lights is one of the quickest ways to shape mood and readability. Let's start by selecting the light you want to adjust. You can click it directly in the 3D viewport, or if your scene is busy, grab it from the outliner panel on the right. When the light is selected, you'll see its outline and, depending on your settings, a small icon that represents its type. To rotate the light, press R on your keyboard. Move your mouse to change the angle, then click to confirm. If you change your mind mid-rotation, press ESC or right-click to cancel. This is the fastest way to explore directions and find a look you like. Often you'll want precise control on a single axis. After pressing R, press X to rotate around the X-axis, Y for the Y-axis, or Z for the Z-axis. You'll see the rotation constrained to that direction, which makes it easy to tilt a sunlight down, sweep a spotlight across a wall, or align an area light to a surface. If you need fine adjustments, move your mouse slowly or type in a number to enter an exact rotation value, then press enter. If you prefer a visual approach, you can use the rotate gizmo. In the left toolbar, enable the rotate tool so the colored circles appear around your selected light. Drag the red, green, or blue ring to rotate on the X, Y, or Z axis, respectively. This is especially helpful when you want to see the axis feedback at a glance. A quick but important note about light types. Point lights emit evenly in all directions, so rotating them doesn't change anything. If you're using a point light and aren't seeing a difference, that's expected. Rotation matters for spotlights, area lights, and sunlights, where direction defines the beam or spread. To accurately judge your changes, switch the viewport shading to material preview or rendered mode. This shows how the rotation affects highlights, shadows, and overall atmosphere. Material preview gives a fast approximation, while rendered mode reveals the final look based on your render engine. As you rotate, watch how the light falls on your subject and how shadows define shapes. That's it. Select the light, rotate it with R, constrain to an axis when needed, use the gizmo if you like, remember which light types respond to rotation, and view the result in a shading mode that reflects your lighting. With these simple actions, you'll dial in cleaner, more intentional lighting in minutes.